Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and get started with Margex crypto application on your mobile device, whether you are using iOS or Android. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and also don't forget to connect to a stable internet connection on your device. Once you open up the Google Play Store or App Store, in the search bar type in Margex and search. Look for the Margex application from Margex Trading Solutions Ltd and tap the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application installs, which may take several minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Now, you'll end up in the welcome screen for Margex. Here, if you already have an account, you can tap on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Sign Up and start creating a new account. So after you do that, you'll successfully download and set up Margex crypto application on your mobile device. You can then explore crypto trading features, manage your funds, and monitor the market anytime, anywhere. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech and crypto guides. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.